Okay, Jay. I don't know if you've built one of these yet, but if not, you must. And listen, this is definitely a must for you. I know your kit had to have come with a photoresistor. That's that little thing with the squiggly lines on it. And a piezo buzzer. And a resistor. And that's really all you need besides jumper wires and your Arduino board. I got a little LED hooked up here, and I'll explain that in a second. And let's see if we can shoot the code here. I've tweaked the last little bit of the code to make the pitch last for what, quarter second, and then the delay to also last a quarter second. So I've got kind of a little metronome going where each tone plays for 1/4 of a second. And then you can pick up the code from Mario Bonsai's video tutorial, which I will show you in a second. But basically, it's a light theremin, and this LED signifies the calibration period. So when you reset it, it runs through a while loop for 5 seconds, and during that time, you calibrate the light sensor. Let me reset it. And I'll use my wallet because it's a little easier. And then, like, you can play a song. He wasn't really specific as to which resistor to use, so I'm not sure if that makes a difference in tonal quality. He uses a much bigger piezo. This is the one that came with my SparkFun kit, and I'm not getting really the same tonal quality that he was getting out of his, so I might play with that a little bit. But you can tweak the values in the code. Again, changing this delay time changes the code. Changing the length of time that the pitch is played changes the code. And I just kind of tweaked with those, which gave me the metronomal effect. You can also go with much smaller values. I think the original value for the tone function is 20 milliseconds, and then the original delay function is 10 milliseconds. But I was getting a real weird noise that way. But I will post the link to the tutorial vid. It's I'm sure you guys might have seen it. But if you haven't built one, you need to, because it's fun for at least about 5 minutes.